I think this one required full 1 hour is required for this one. That's the reason I don't want to do half the way. I will go for the scheduling so that I can able to finish this one. Okay, let us go for the scheduling. I can say comparatively ADF, that means old version, whatever available is Data Factory one. And this one, if I compare both, right, somehow I feel like ADF is very good than the Fabric. Some kind of functionalities, whatever we have over there, still in the Fabric has to improve. Still has to improve. Why I came to that conclusion, you come to know at the end of this class. At this point of time, it has only purely schedule based. That means every day I want to run 7 o'clock. Every day I want to run 8 o'clock. Okay, weekly once, weekly twice. Those are things happily you can able to achieve. And in fact, they provided this one very tight integration they provided. What do you mean by tight integration? For example, let me open our pipeline first. I'm trying to open our pipeline. Suppose, yeah, you can do this also, or else you can go for our simple pipeline, what we have, a simple pipeline 01, what we have, we can take this one. This is just we are trying to copy LakeHouse file to Delta table, we're trying to copy. This one I can take it. So if it's a notifications and time, both together, they manage in the schedule. You can see directly we have the schedule button they provided. That's what I mean to say, very tight integration. If I click on the schedule, then we have here, first thing they are saying as a notifications also. This is one good thing, which is not there in the ADF. Failure notifications. Okay, this is one good thing they come up with in the Fabric. If something my pipeline is failed in the ADF, if I want to know, then I have to use there's a concept called as logic apps, there's a concept called as email integration, a lot of stories there. That much headache is not there. Directly pass your email ID, you are going to get the mail if it fails. Let me pass my mail ID. I want to take this. I'm passing here. Copy it. Okay, looks like it's copied. Microsoft.com. Okay. So this is my mail ID I'm passing here. Then if I want multiple people also, you can go ahead and you can type here a couple of letters. We're able to see that mail is coming. Even your mails also I can able to pass it because you people also have the licenses, right? So yeah, I'm able to pass the Piros, I'm able to pass the Deepti. Yeah, Deepti, I'm able to pass. You have whomever you want to pass it, you can pass it. So some reason this is fake, then we are going to, all of us, we are going to be notified. Now, when you want to schedule it, you can go ahead and you can schedule. This is, I think you can able to understand very well. Schedule time. We are going for what? Fixed. Run the schedule at fixed time on the clock or calendar. Now, we are going for the fixed time by the minute, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. Monday, every Monday, 9 o'clock, I want to run it. Can you please help me out what I have to select your options? Every Monday, 9 o'clock, I want to run.
Weekly.
Yeah. Monday, I want it. So go for the Monday. Then 9 o'clock, I want it. Then go for year 9. So 9. That's all. 9 a.m. So go for the 9 a.m. And now start time and end time zone. What time zone I wanted? For example, my customer is located in the PST time zone. I can go for the PST. That means this 9 o'clock in which time zone? PST time zone, right? Yes. That's what the meaning of this one. Your customer is located in the EST time zone, you located, then you can go ahead and you can say as a -5 somewhere here. This is the EST time zone. So in the EST time zone, 9 a.m. it will be running. Timing, I locate in the PST, so I'm okay with the Pacific time zone. Then I can go ahead and I can save. Then it's going to run every Monday it's going to run. But I don't have that much of time to wait to see how the functionality, right? That's the reason I will be scheduling. Now, what is the time? In my case, 7:14. I will go and I'll try to propose here fixed, and by the minute, I'm saying here, for example, 20th minute, I want to run it, and start time, end time, time zone, first. Okay, that's what is the meaning of this one. Every hour it's going to run. Every hour, 20th minute, whenever it is came, it is going to run. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Yes.
Probably. I don't have that much of patience also. That is the reason I'm giving 16 now. That means every hour, 16th minute, it is going to run and starts from now. So go and try to save it immediately. I'm saving this one. Now in another 1 minute, this pipeline will be triggering, and I think it also will fail, I'm thinking. Why? Because it looks for B100 file, which I renamed wantedly. Yeah, this is looking for what is the file? B100 underscore emp.cs, which is looking in the data folder. In the data folder, now I don't think so we have the B100 emp.csv anymore. We have emp.csv, but not B100 emp.csv. So it looks for this file. As this file is not available, this will be failing. And we are going to get them notified through the mailbox. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay. Let us see. Yeah, 16 now. There is a kind of slight delay maybe there. Though it is 16 minutes, 16th minute only, it may not be triggering sometimes because of the server's queues, network, whatever it may be issue, right? 1 minute or 30 seconds delay may be there. So if I go to the monitor here, wow, you are very lucky. Immediately it is triggered, looks like. Immediately it's triggered. This is you triggered. This is you triggered. No, system triggered, and it looks like it is running now. Okay, but it is in the queue. Maybe it's looking for the service, but it's triggered, not started, but in the pipeline. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you will be seeing here one problem also there. I want to tell the problem also. Let me go for end time, duration, capacity, job type, instance, all the options, whatever available, I am selecting here. Let me select all the options. I think I select all the options, apply. Then if you go to the one of the thing that is called as job type, yeah, this guy. See here, this is you ran or it is a scheduled based one.
Scheduled.
That's how we can able to understand the particular one is running manually by some person, or it is through a schedule it is happening. That's how we come to understand using the runtime. Okay, there is one more thing is there, API based. Through API also I can able to run it. Unfortunately, it's supposed to show here API based, but it's showing scheduled. That's the problem. You got my point? I don't know they fixed or not in the recent versions. Okay, but I verified that 1 month back. I verified it is not showing an API. It was showing a schedule. Through API also.
What is API? How it will run?
Yeah, this pipeline I can able to trigger through the API endpoint. We have the REST APIs are available actually. Let me go to here. Yeah, this is what the REST APIs. Let me take separate browser. So there are for each and every activity we have the bunch of REST APIs we have it. I can trigger the pipeline using the API. Got my point? These all are APIs, REST APIs. So anyhow, that I'll talk about later. Time being, I want to go back and observe here. Let me refresh once again. Yeah, it's failed. As it is failed, we know why it is failed also. If you want, you can go on, you can verify it inside this one. I'm opening this one. Then I'm trying to see the error message. Error message as expected. What is the issue it is saying? Path not found. What path it is looking for? It is looking for what? Inside the files folder, data folder, it is expecting what?
B100 AMP CSV.
This is the expected failure. Now I want to see my mailbox. I want to go for my mailbox. Let me open the mailbox. In the mailbox, I should get here one notification. Okay, let's go to the inbox, then see the notification. Wow, we got it. Scheduled run failed, PL01 LakeHouse, this one is failed. So we got the item name, item type is what, job type is what, and schedule ID is what, and we got the error is failed. Additional details you can observe here. By observing the additional details, you come to know user error file not found is a user is not given the properly input looks like. Okay, by seeing the message, are you in a position to understand what is the issue? By seeing the file not found, yeah, that is what we're able to understand it, right? So that's what the help it is doing to you. You may be traveling, you may be anywhere, doesn't matter. Whenever your pipeline is some trouble, whenever your pipeline is in some trouble, you'll be notified here. This is great thing actually. This is great thing comparatively old versions. It's a great thing. We are doing this one just like that without any efforts. We are not spending too much of time to achieve to this page, right? Just like that, we click a couple of clicks, we click it, and we are able to do this. Okay. Now, if I success means you won't get any mail. Let's see. Let's fix the problem. Whatever happened. Now I'm going back. What do you want to fix? You want to fix the pipeline or you want to fix the name of the file? Which one you would like it?
LakeHouse
Name
data
of
file.
the file.
Name of the file. Okay. Let us go and try to fix the name of the file. The name of the file is emp.csv. We can rename this one as it's looking for
You can duplicate it, right? So it will impact on other files if we change here again.
Okay, that was a good idea. That was a good idea. Let us go and try to upload. I do have here the file. Upload the file, then P100 emp.csv also I do have it. I can upload it. Okay, I'm uploading it. Then this file also available. Okay, now I don't have time to wait another 16th minute of time, right? Okay.
We can edit that.
Edit this one. Let us go and try to edit it to see the functionality. Now time is 7:22. I will change this one as a 24. I'm changing. Then I'm saving this one. Existing schedule I'm changing to run every 24th minute. We are saying it. Now 22nd minute it is. At the time of 24th minute, it will run again and look for the file B101. Now the file is available. So this time it will be successfully running. If it is successfully running, you will be notified.
No.
If it is successfully running, you will be notified. No. But I want that kind of scenarios also. What you will do? If it's success, also I want to get the your load is completed successfully, something like that mail. If it is failed, also I want to get it. What you will do? They handle only your failure notifications, right? Success notifications they did not handle here. How we can do that one? Okay, that we are going to extend our class. We are going to extend it. That's where our learning will go for. Next thing here, we do have here notification related. One is Office 365, how we can configure. Some people don't like to go for the mails. Okay, some people love to go with the Teams, let us say. Then how to notify the Teams also. Okay, or some people may be saying as, don't go for the mail, don't go for the Teams. I'm least bothered about those things. Just refresh my report. Just refresh what? My PowerBI semantic model report, you try to refresh it. So once it is completed, what needs to happen You can go and you can control here by using these options. Okay, time being, I'm not interested in the semantic model. I'm not interested in the themes. I'm interested maybe on the email. Okay, we'll try to do the email also after a few minutes. Now 7:24. At the time of 7:24, I can expect in the monitor window, this must be started again. Let us go and try to refresh. Started, but it's failed again. I don't know why. So this is scheduled. Okay, it's failed once again. I don't know why. Let us see why it is failed. We fixed the file problem, but still it is failed. The reason of mapping column name not found. Source file. Okay, column employee name. Specify the column mapping cannot be found in this. Okay, there is a column mapping problem is there. Okay, let's try to update this pipeline. Looks like the mapping is something disturbed here. At the time of learning, what I will do time being is now I will reset it. I will reset it. I will clear it. Let it go as it is coming as input. Okay, I am trying to do in that direction. Then I can go for saving this one. Again, the schedule I have to change here. Let us try to do the schedule change also. Edit it now 25. I will change as a 27. I am changing. I save it. Okay, it's saying as employee name, you said it, employee name is not coming from the source. That's what the complaint is saying. Then I give into the system, just go with whatever is coming from the source, just go for that one. That's what I said to the system. Okay, let us try to see now, this time it will be success, but it will not be notified anything, something like that. Okay, now at the time of 27, yeah, it's not started, but in the pipeline, that's what it's showing it's not started. Okay, let's try to refresh it. Refresh it. Okay, it's coming close to the time, then it's automatically showing this flag as not started. Whenever it is 7:27, then it will be going into the running mode. Okay, refresh. The time 7:26. Yeah, I think, yeah, by the time of 7:27, within seconds it is completed. Either my clock may be here and there, some seconds deviation is there. You got my point?
Yeah.
Now, anyhow, we understand what is the meaning. But this time, did you receive any mail? No. This is the failed time. Previously, it's failed, right? Due to the mapping issue, whenever we got it, that time it is failed. This one, this is the employee name is not matching, something like that, but not the success now. Now, question is how we can handle the success things. How you can handle the success thing. Success also, I want the mail I want it. How you can do that? That we'll try to see. Maybe tomorrow we'll try to cover that one. Today we try to practice this one. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you. So today,
Classes update చేశారా?
Today we have a good amount of work. So whatever homework I given, that homework you have to complete it. Okay.
Would you please share me the videos, recorded videos, please? Yesterday and today's session.
I think I did not.